Hello everyone, my name is Piyush Rathod. I'm from Aurangabad and I'm the student of Lexicon IHM. I was very fascinated with the hotel industry since the very start. Hence, I joined the Lexicon IHM. And when I joined, Lexicon offered us various opportunities to discover our field of interest through field of visits, leadership talks, and practical knowledge. For the first year student, I feel this is a great achievement for me. I'm grateful to the institute. My favorite guest was Mr. Vimal Verma sir. He is general manager of JW Marriott, and he's my favorite because the way he carries himself, the aura he has around him, the way of delivering speeches he has, the knowledge he has about the industry is fabulous, and I see myself becoming a person like him in the future, and that's why he influences me a lot.